Welcome. Today we'll learn how to do the classification with maximum likelihood for the Landsat 8 image. If you are not subscribed the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. First open the input image. For this I have created ROIs for the selected region, agriculture, water body built up. Like this ROI I have created. Then go into the supervise and maximum likelihood. Select the input image, load it, select the ROIs, corresponding ROIs based upon which you want to do the classification. Then we are selecting or giving the probability threshold as 0.10 or zero point 0.1. Then we have to select the folder for giving the output file name. Give the output file name. Here I have used the input image which is created by performing the masking operation. For building mask and applying mask, you can watch the videos where the links are given in the description box. Again, you have to give the output name to the rule image. It is optional. And let's see what will be the output of MLC. Based upon the ROIs we have created, the selected region gets classified. You can see the MLC out rule. This is the output of the maximum likelihood. So corresponding the water bodies, agriculture land, vegetation all gets differentiated. So you can clearly view when you scroll through the output of the MLC. This is the water body, blue region. You can clearly view the built up area, the vegetation. So this is how you can perform the maximum likelihood classification, which is a supervised technique where we require the ROIs. Then after classification, you go into the post classification and go into the confusion matrix. If you want to generate the rule image classifier, you can select, you can give the particular threshold value, and again you can analyze the data. Post classification confusion matrix using ground truth ROIs. As we have created the ROIs, select the input image, MLC output new with whatever the output we are obtained now. Then you can see in the downside the agri, water body, built up and bare land. These are the four classes. They are paired with the ground truth ROIs. If it not paired, you can pair it. OK. Click on OK. And here is the confusion matrix. So you can see the overall accuracy for MLC is 86%. Again, you can analyze the commission rate, the omission rate also. The corresponding classification you can watch. Thank you.